I find myself now on an unknown threshold, a border between life and something that transcends human understanding. The pain and agony that accompanied me during my last moments have ceased to exist, replaced by a feeling of lightness and tranquility that pervades my entire being. It's as if I'm floating, detached from the physical ties that kept me anchored to the material world. In this state, my consciousness wavers between fading away and reliving every detail of my life. Memories that seemed forgotten emerge with startling clarity. I see myself again as a child, exploring the world with curious eyes, each discovery an adventure. Adolescence reveals itself with its turmoil and first pains, now recontextualized as crucial moments in the formation of my being. I remember my first love, a feeling so pure and intense. Although it was unrequited, it left a sweet mark on my soul, a prelude to the true love I would later find. These memories intertwine with those of my conjugal life, the moments shared, the joys and challenges of building a life together. I see the faces of my children, the personification of our love, each a universe of possibilities. I recall the farewell to my mother, followed by the goodbye to my father. They were painful departures, but now I understand them as natural stages of life. The sadness of the news of my illness passes quickly through my mind, a brief chapter in the grand book of my existence. And now, at this moment, all these memories converge into a point of intensely bright light, expanding and approaching. I feel as if I'm entering this light, enveloped by an indescribable sensation. It's a synesthetic experience, like a music that cannot be heard, but is felt. A touch that is not physically perceived, but completely fills. There's a sense of completeness, a deep understanding that gives meaning to everything that was, is, and will be. At this moment, I realize that I transcend what we understand as time, space, and individuality. It's a union with something greater, a full integration with the whole. There's no fear, only profound peace and an understanding that goes beyond the boundaries of human knowledge. I am ready to move forward, to embrace this new stage of existence, whatever it may be.